Is it just me? Or is it getting crazier out there?
Well, yeah, I gotta watch what I say here. Occasionally I make jokes about Dogecoin. But fate loves irony.
You always have a moment in your life where the direction you're going, you will have to make a decision to keep going or you turn back.
And often, as a friend of mine says, the most ironic outcome is the most likely. And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.
We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon and discontinue and do the other things. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Make sure y'all tap in for Dogecoin, man. It's gonna be the crypto of the future. Dogecoin is the people's coin. Let's go. It's your boy Soldier Boy.
This is the launch operations manager. The launch team wishes you good luck and Godspeed.